Well, first I flutter my eyelashes.
Excellent.
Then I get to flutter my eyelashes. Then I'm gonna flutter my eyelashes too.
Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new lashes. Well, they're new-ish. They've been out before, but they actually extended some styles to this collection. So the collection in question, Ardell's Naked Lashes. I was able to snag these in Walgreens. I seen they had extended ones. If anyone else knows, I did another video in the past. Go check that out as well. It was pretty much, I believe, the 421s to the 424s, I believe I did, or at least two of them I did. And now they actually did extend the styles. So I'm excited to dive right on into these. I like these a lot. The first time I did try them, they were very, very nice. And they're really, really pretty for like everyday looks and whatnot. But before I jump all the way into these cuties, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also, don't forget to leave a comment below. And as well, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So let's jump right on into these lashes. So guys, the first one out the bunch is the 426s. These are very light and fluttery. So these are the very lightweight. Again, these have like almost pretty much an invisible band on them. They are just, like they said, lightweight, supple volume. This one is that fluttery, very light, but has a little length to it kind of lash. I really do like this one. It's very, very comfortable fit. I don't have to cut it whatsoever. I really do like this lash. I feel like it's an everyday lash. It's fluttery. It does have two little layers. It shows, they look like they're all the same length. They may have a little bit of flare in these, but I see they're just even all around. But the second layer that's extra curly on top, and then the bottom layer has like a little bit of a curl at the end. It's really pretty. I think this one is a very, very pretty one because it's light and fluttery. It's nothing too big, nothing too heavy, hence the name Naked Lash, of course. They're so comfortable. I put these on in like 4 seconds. I was just like, boop, 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 done. These are really good. If you, again, like a natural everyday lash you can pop on real easy and just head out the door, I would get the 426s. So this one's going to be a little bit more fuller than the one right before it. This is the 427s. These, I have to cut the lash band. I'm going to start off by saying that. These are a little too long for my eyes. And this lash band was not too invisible. I didn't care for the lash band on this one too much. But the fullness of the lashes and it's like 3 layers. These are three-dimensional naked lashes. Yes, ma'am. I love the dimension. I like the layering. I love it. The little kind of play off to kind of give you a little fullness. But crazy enough, these still do look natural on your eyelid. They don't look too full, too crazy, but they are fuller out the bunch. Yeah, and the hairs on these feel a little bit more, feel so soft and fluttery. So this one's gonna be the one I'm kind of like, about it. But I really do like the layering of it. I feel like they fanned out really pretty. This is a really, really pretty flare fanned out lash. It's very, very pretty. I just wish the lash band wasn't uncomfortable and I didn't have to cut it, you know. But besides that, still a pretty lash. If you want natural but a little bit of extra oomph, go with the 427s. So next we have is 428s. These are cute. This, I don't have to cut the lash band at all. And this lash band is not as comfortable as the 426, but it's not so uncomfortable like the 427s. So with this extended styles, they're playing with it, playing on that a little bit. But this one does have three-dimensional cute little lashes, but these are baby small. These are very, very short. They're not long at all compared to the last two. If I wanted a little more volume, but I still want that curl, and I want a little bit of that double or that triple layer, I can get it, but it's just gonna be shorter. I like the hairs on this one. The hairs on this one's very soft and nice and curly. I really, really like that about this one. I don't have lashes that have 3 layers that are short like this. I usually have 2 layers, or they're short. 1 layer gives me 3 layers and it's short. I don't think I have a 3-dimensional shorter lash with a curl on top of it. So going to my collection. I love this one. And last but not least, I have on the 429s. This one I have to cut a little bit just on this eyeball, but this one has more of a very natural wispy look. It's very piecey in there too. It doesn't look like that in the container. Once you put it on, it does have that wispy, ruffled look on your eye. It's really pretty. I think these are just 2 layered. I don't think they have 3 because I'm not seeing the extra like oomph. These are a little more fuller. You definitely can tell compared to the first ones, but this is not as thick as the last one, and also the 427s are the thickest one. So I like it. I like these. These are very pixie, very interesting look to them. Very flattering on the eyes. They're really pretty. And then these hairs, see, these hairs are soft. Every other extended style in this collection of these that I got are literally soft, but those 427s are just not. I don't know why the hairs and band is trippy. I don't know why. But all the rest of them are very soft, including this one. It does feel like real, like faux hair. It's just really, it's really pretty. Yeah, these are pretty. And they have a pretty curl at the end here. It lifts up, it flares up. It's really, really pretty. These do not look like how they do in the container. So if you see them in the store and you say I want a wispy kind of look, go with the 429s because they don't look like that in the packaging, but on your eyeball they do. All right, y'all. So overall, I do like the Naked Lash collections. I feel like if they keep adding different styles all the time with the Naked Lash collection, I think that would be great because a Naked Lash is different for everyone. So some people may want a little va-va-voom on the ends, but very soft in the front. Some people may like a pixie as natural. Some people may like a 3-dimensional lash, like myself, that's natural to play with that, or they may just like a very simple little lash. I think it's cool. They can extend on this because there's so many different natural looks for all different people. That's a really good ticket to go with to keep going with that. I would say 3 out of 4 is not bad. And I know they did have a 425 at Walgreens, but those to me just looked very, very average. I feel like I have a few lashes that are like that. So that's why I left those out. So if you're like, there's a 425, well, I know, but I was like, I want to see a little more va-va-voom because the other natural lashes I got from them are more like the 425s. But these 426 to 429s, these are a little bit more va-va-voom with a natural flair. So I like these extended styles a little bit more than the first ones. I like my little bit of extra oomph to it, but that it's still natural. Like give you a little something, but nothing too much, you know? But again, guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me which one is your favorite pair. And do you like the other styles that they came out with the first time? Or do you like the extended styles they came out with just now? Let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.